Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Fidelity NetBenefits secure access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Fidelity NetBenefits. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the secure login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. Ensure that your credentials are correct for a successful login. If you are using a personal device, you may check the box that says Remember Me for easier access in the future. After entering your information, click the Login button. You might be prompted to verify your identity with security questions or a two-factor authentication code. Follow the instructions to complete any verification steps required. Once verified, you will gain access to your Fidelity NetBenefits account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. If you encounter any issues during the login process, look for the Forgot Username or Forgot Password links and follow the prompts. For further assistance, you can contact Fidelity Customer Service for help. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.